All right, boys, here we go. For anyone who watches this video and isn't in our fantasy league, and they're like, why is he doing this? It's because Bijan Robinson has a mustard, and he led me to the championship, and I promised my league that I would record myself eating a bottle of the mustard if he led me to a championship. So here we go. This is so much mustard. This was not a good idea. But I'm happy to be doing it. It's so much mustard. All right, I'm gonna say that it's about as good as I'm gonna get it into this bowl. Here we go. It's pretty good, but it's like, it's mustard. So eating it like this, I don't recommend. The mustard is good though. This is definitely the grossest thing I've ever recorded myself doing. Oh, man. There's a part of me that's definitely like, maybe I should just drink it, but I don't know what that would do to me. Gotta try a bread bite because I brought them. I lost the bread bite. I don't think the bread is helping because it makes it linger too long. Oh, man. The bread was a good idea, Jim. It was okay at first, but definitely I don't think I can do a spoonful of this at this point. Definitely needed the bread. I'm gonna say that's good. Mustard is pretty good. I don't ever want to eat it like that again. But I'm happy I did. Because Bijan is the guy. So shout out to Bijan. And happy birthday, June.